What is the target market for my frozen food business? In this video, we will cover a few pointers on how to know who and where your frozen food target market is. Welcome to Marketing Food Online. This is Stacy from the Marketing Food Online team. If you're starting a frozen food business or just started and want to know how to find your target market, you will want to watch this video from beginning to the end. Frozen food is a convenient and cost-effective option for many consumers who lead busy lives and are looking for quick and easy meal solutions. However, as a frozen food business owner, it is important to identify and understand your target market to effectively market and sell your products. The target market for a frozen food business can vary depending on the types of products you sell and your business goals. If you find this helpful so far, give us a thumbs up. And let us know, how are you selling your frozen food? Here are some potential target markets to consider. Busy professionals. Many working professionals have hectic schedules and may not have the time or energy to cook elaborate meals after a long day at work. Frozen food provides a convenient option for those looking for a quick and easy meal solution. Seniors. As the baby boomer generation continues to age, there is a growing market for frozen food products that cater to seniors. These products may be designed to meet specific dietary needs or be eaten or prepare and consume for those with limited mobility. Families. Frozen food can be a convenient option for families who are juggling multiple schedules and need quick and easy meal solutions. Additionally, frozen meals can be a great option for parents who want to provide healthy and balanced meals for their children without spending hours in the kitchen. Health-conscious consumers. Many consumers are increasingly interested in eating healthier, and frozen food businesses can target this market by offering products that are low in calories, fat, and sodium. These products can be designed to meet specific dietary needs such as gluten-free, vegan, or organic. Convenience seekers. In addition to busy professionals, there are many consumers who simply value convenience and are willing to pay a premium for it. This market may be more interested in frozen food products that are easy to prepare and require minimal cleanup. Budget-conscious consumers. Frozen food can also be a great option for those on a tight budget. By offering affordable, yet tasty and nutritious frozen meals, businesses can attract customers who are looking for ways to save money on their food expenses. When identifying your target market, it is important to consider factors such as age, gender, income, lifestyle, and values. Once you have identified your target market, you can develop marketing strategies that will appeal to their specific needs and preferences. For example, if your target market is busy professionals, you may want to consider advertising your products on social media platforms like LinkedIn or Twitter, where professionals are more likely to spend time. You may also want to offer promotions or discounts for bulk purchases, as busy professionals may be more likely to stock up on meals for the week. Alternatively, if your target market is health-conscious consumers, you may want to focus on promoting the health benefits of your products and providing nutritional information. You may also want to consider partnering with local gyms or health food stores to increase visibility among this market. In conclusion, identifying your target market is essential for the success of your frozen food business. By understanding the needs and preferences of your target market, you can develop products and marketing strategies that will appeal to them and help you stand out in a competitive industry.